Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a slime giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a couple of my slimes, and these are the rules to enter. So first you have to subscribe to this channel and turn on my bell to miss none of these videos. Comment down below what slime you want, and you could have a chance to get that. That's your first chance is to subscribe to my bell. And then your second chance is comment down below what slime you want. And then, let me see. The third way to maybe win a slime is to like this video. And then the fourth way to do it is to comment down below any kind of slime. If you don't care, that's your fourth chance to win. And then your fifth chance to win is to go to my Musical.ly and subscribe to it down below. I'll put it down below in this description, and you can get one of my slimes. So maybe you could contact me on Musical.ly and tell me where you live so I could ship your slime to your house and you can get the slime. So those are the ways to just subscribe. So the first slime that be able is like a container. Okay, so this is just like a little bit of slime that I made today. It's like a stretchy slime, and it's like I put some confetti in it, and it's a small batch of slime, but you could win this too. So I'm gonna be picking one winner, and it could be any one of you, and it makes that sound. It's very stretchy and stuff. So that's your second choice of your slime. This is your third choice. That's your first. This is your second. It's a little sticky, but you could just rinse your fingers off. So you can mix it up and then get it off your finger. It'll come off your finger easily. And then it's not one of those slimes that are meant to have the noise. I put these sprinkle stuff in it. It's yellow. It's scented banana too. And it's just one of the stretchy kinds of slime, the actually really slimy ones. Yeah, that's your second choice of slime. And let me dry my finger off real quick. I'm gonna have to use paper. Okay, and your third chance, I'm gonna be giving away 4 chances of slimes. So then this white slime that's it's stretchy, but it smells really weird, but it's very fun to play with. It makes that sound too. Wait, let me put it down somewhere else. Okay. Yeah, that's your third chance of slime to win. And then your third chance is, let me go grab it. Okay guys, it's a little dark, so let me turn the light. Okay. You'll be getting this in a plastic baggie because the containers I need for more slime giveaways. And then this is your other one that you could win. Okay. Let me get this. It may or may not have hardened. Yeah, so those are your 3 chances, because the ones in these containers, I don't know that they hardened. So guys, I'm really sorry, but you have 3 choices of some cool slimes They're pretty cool. I mean, one's banana scented with this like confetti stuff. One's a small batch of slime that you could win. Okay, I'm gonna be picking 2 winners. One winner is going to be getting 2 things, and then oh no, I'm giving away another slime. So each of you can comment down below the 2 ones you want, and yeah, that's like a way to win, as I said. This one's this one. The reason why I had to leave the room again because it was in my fridge. It's like it's a little sticky-ish. Kind of dyes your fingers like the tiniest bit ever, but it's this it's like a really fun slime to play with. It's a little sticky, so I wouldn't recommend it that many. No, I actually don't recommend it. But it's a blue slime that has pink glitter in it. Okay, guys, I'll show you. Okay, so those are your slimes that you could win. And I'm using this to clean up as paper. So, and that's a slime contest. And today, I'm going to have these special days where I try to post a video every day. So, Monday is random, Tuesday's random, Wednesday's challenge, Thursday's challenge, Friday's random, Saturday is random. Saturday is fun, like a haul. Like I'll try to do like a haul of my stuff, and then like phone cases and like sunglasses and that kind of stuff. And then Sunday is let me see. A DIY. No, Thursday, Monday, and Sunday are DIYs. Oh, okay. So today is Wednesday. So what's the one? Wednesday is random. So I'm gonna be doing something random today. And okay, you're gonna try to see this good. So I have. Okay, this might be a little bad aim. Okay. Is that like a good aim? Like, is that a good spot to put my phone? Okay, hold on, guys. Pop socket's not working very nice. Okay, that's much brighter. Hold on. Let me put my slides back in my containers. Okay, let me put them back where they're supposed to be right now. Okay, I have like a slime drawer, like a giveaway drawer. There's like a slime drawer. I'm so obsessed with slime. I have a slime too. So, and then today's random. So today I have this thing that has these letters. I might do a couple of these because it's just random. Because today's random day. And they're letters. So I'm going to do something that's gymnastics. So let me say I pick the letter H. H. You have to pick a gymnastics move that starts with H. So, handstand. So let's say handstand. So that's one of them. So that's one. So you get the point. Yeah. So I'm going to do about 4 of them, and I'm going to end this video out. Okay. Might be 5. I think there's some numbers in here too. So it stands as 2, I guess. Okay. A. I cannot do an aerial, so I have to skip this one because I don't know any other things. Okay, a V. A V sit. Okay, that's a gymnastics move. It's like a stretch. Okay. Ow! An N. A kneel stand, I think it's what it's called. So you go like this, and then. Oh, shit. Okay, I cannot do that. I'm just gonna kneel like that. I don't know. That's not a gymnastics move. But guys, I might be posting another video. Well, every day's randoms. Actually, it's not like certain days. Every day's random, like it could be DIY. I could tell you guys. So today was random. I might do another video today soon, and like another one. But remember, these are the rules. You're supposed to subscribe to the channel and put on the bell. That's the first one. Second one is to like this video for the second chance. The third chance is comment down below which slimes you want. Like what colors? No, it's, yeah, what color slimes you want. And if you want the first one, if you want 1 or 2, that's like a fourth way. And then the fifth way is to comment down below. Okay? Puppy. Okay? You comment down below puppy. That is your 5th chance to win. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was random and it's a slime giveaway. So you just do those ways. And yeah, peace out. Love you guys.